Ugly looking day. Low clouds, we've got drizzle. Be careful on your way home. So what we have is this area of low pressure. Look, here's the mouth of the Mississippi River. So it's southeast of the mouth of the Mississippi River. We can check out that visibility and notice it's fairly low at this time. You can see 6 to 7 mile visibility, but it could even be lower than that, all because of this low pressure. So the wind northeast 10, 18 miles per hour to 20 miles per hour, but during the day today, it did gust to 29 miles per hour. Here's the low pressure, and look, at times we had a wind gust of 56 miles per hour offshore. That's why we had that gale warning in effect. But the low is going to be drifting to the south. You know, a piece of that energy may break off, and there is a very low chance for tropical development in the Atlantic. So we look at what's happening now, and the radar really not picking up on the rain that's occurring because it is so low to the ground. We still have that wind advisory in effect, but it's really for those roads that are very close to the coast. Gale warning in effect east of the river, and it's in effect until noontime tomorrow. You still could have gusts of 40 knots. Now, because of the stronger winds, we still have water being pushed on shore and reports of some flooding of roadways. So coastal flood warnings in effect, and also notice how you've got that coastal flood advisory. We go into the evening hours, temperatures stay in the 60s. We're going to have that off and on drizzle. Be careful driving. I know working those windshield wipers. In the morning, low temperatures, mostly low 60s. And then tomorrow during the day, we will have some breaks in the clouds. Don't expect a lot of sunshine. In the morning Friday, low temperatures upper 50s to the low 60s. A little bit more sunshine during the day. That will help us warm up. Highs climb into the low 70s. So if you look at the rainfall today, it was only 0.03 of an inch of rain. How much more rain? Not much more. One model says nothing at the airport, but we are getting some showers, and another model says maybe 1 to 0.05 of an inch of rain. Temperatures right now in the low to the mid 60s. That wind is blowing, and the big concern too is that the tidal range is increasing, so that helps with water moving onshore, particularly at night at high tide. Here is a look at your WDSU first morning weather. Sure enough, breezy for Thursday, highs near 70, less rain, a little bit more sunshine on Friday, weak cold front early Saturday, and then a great looking weekend.